Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and I help individuals achieve financial freedom at a young age. And in today's video, I am going to give you a tutorial on how to set up an HSA account, a health savings account, which is different from an FSA, which is a flex spending account. So I'm going to show you how to set up the HSA on livelyme.com. Okay, we are going to set up your HSA account with Lively. So you'll go to livelyme.com and then click on their sign up button in the top right. And then it will take you to the next page. And then it will ask you for your name, email, and a password, your phone number, and then you will click on agree and sign up. And then it will send you a message to your email so you can verify your account. And then you'll come back and it will ask you if you already have a high deductible insurance plan, and you'll just click on yes if you do, and then you'll select your plan type, which either you'll have individual or a family plan, and it tells you how much you can contribute for each one, and then you can decide how much you want to put inside of your account to begin with, and you can leave it at 0 if you want to. Or you can put in, a minimum amount and then increase it later. And if you want to set up a reoccurring deposit into your HSA, you can do that as well. And you would just select the amount that you want to have pulled out of your checking or savings account and put into your HSA. And then if you already have an HSA, you can transfer it over to Lively. So you can click yes on that and then follow the instructions. But I don't have one, so I clicked on no. And then you'll enter your home address, your mailing address, your social, date of birth, occupation, and then you'll click link account. And then you can scroll through their list of banks to find yours, or just type in the name of your bank. And then it will ask you for your username and password. Just enter that. And then they'll want to send you a security code, either text or email. So you'll enter that. And then they'll have you choose whether you want your savings or checking linked. So you'll select that. And then you'll hit continue and you'll have your account successfully set up. And then you'll go through their paperwork and just agree to all of their terms and conditions. And then you're fully set up and you can go to your dashboard. Okay, and that is our tutorial. So you should be able to easily set up your HSA with Lively. And I want to know if you do, so comment below and tell me if you are setting up your HSA with Lively or if you're going with someone else. I'm curious to know. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications on when I post new videos. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.